If you're watching this video, like and subscribe down in the corner to Just the Chords for a ton of fun Taylor Swift chord tutorial videos. Today, we're going back to December. It features only 5 chords, so first let's go through those 5 chords in one hand, then we'll go through them as some chord progressions in the song, and then we'll take a walk through the whole song, chord by chord. Let's go! This song is in the key of D major, so we'll start first on this D major chord. That's spelled D, F sharp, A. Let's try that. D, F sharp, A all together. That's our D major chord. We're going to start there. A lot of our sections, like the verse and the chorus. The next chord we're going to go to is B minor. That's going to be spelled B, D, F sharp. Let's try it. B, D, F sharp. There's our B minor. Next we're going to need a G major. G, B, D. Let's try that out together. G major, G, B, D, all white keys. An A major, A, C sharp, E. A major, A, C sharp, E. And our last chord is going to be F sharp minor, starting with F sharp, A, C sharp. All together, F sharp, A, C sharp, F minor. As I said, the verse and the chorus, they're all going to start on D major. So in the verse, we're going to go from D major to B minor, B, D, F sharp, to G major, to D major, A major. For half the time, those last 2 chords. That'll repeat in the verse. In the chorus, we'll start on D major again, D, F sharp, A, and then we'll go to an F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp, then up to a G major right next door, G, B, D, and then we go to that D home key again, then A, for half the time on those last 2 chords, and it's going to repeat in the chorus. The bridge will start on B minor, and just have a slightly different order of those chords. We'll then go to G, G, B, D, then we'll go to D, D, F sharp, A. This is just the prep for the bridge. Then it goes to an A, and restarts its pattern. If you need to review any of the chords, or get your hands walking through some of those patterns, rewind and take care of that. This song is in the key of D major, so we're going to start there. My left hand's going to play roots, meaning the name of the chord, maybe an open 5th note up from the root. And my right hand's going to be playing chords and inversions of those chords that we learned. Playing around with the order of the notes in the chord, that is. I'll give us a 4 count, and then we'll start in the intro, real light and easy. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our intro, it's D, B minor, G, verse 1. G, D, A, repeat that, D, pre-chorus. Little build. Chorus. F sharp minor. Nice. Ready. D. A. Restart the pattern. 2, 3, 4. F sharp minor. D, A, G, little tag, ready for B minor, A, then we get a transition. transition, like the intro. 2 times D, B minor, G, verse 2. Restart on D, B minor, G. 2 beats on D, 2 beats on A, and a tap for the pre-chorus. Give it B minor, A, G, chorus. Back to A, D, restart, F sharp minor, G, here's our tag, D, A, I go B minor, A, here's that transition 2 times, let it build. Drama. Oh yeah, 2 beats, B minor, G, D, A, ready for the drums. Yeah, back to the pulse. Little tag. Even less movement. Chorus starts soft. Building. Yeah, we start the pattern. Big. F sharp minor. G. It's our tag. Third time at the end, I go B minor. A. Outro. Same as those transitions, same as the intro. Get yourself back to December.